George Russell is eager enough to settle down his Formula One career as soon as possible, and how Vettel has changed the way Aston Martin debrief. We'll let you know all about this in this video. Stay tuned. George on the contract talks with Mercedes. He said, "I haven't really spoken about it with Toto. That's always just been my mindset, to conclude the talks quickly. It's in everyone's best interest. I'm just focused on here and now really, but I'm sure everything will be sorted no later than the end of the summer break. I think we would all want a nice summer break off when the season's this intense, not messing around with the contracts." Later, Toto Wolff also talked about the Mercedes future. He said, "We don't want to leave it until January to confirm the two drivers. Also, to give the driver peace of mind or be able to concentrate on the job. Obviously for next year, there's lots of ball in the air and we will always try to do the best for the team long term, while also giving total loyalty to our current driver lineup." Mercedes signed Lewis Hamilton in the month of January this year, and Toto Wolff said he's not going to repeat the same mistake again. He said, "We are not doubting either Valtteri or Lewis, but discussion obviously are going to happen, but not in January next year." Aston Martin team principal Otmar Szafner said, "Sebastian Vettel has changed the way they debrief." He said, "Sebastian has expanded the way we do things. Lance isn't a rookie, he has been with us for a while now, and there is a good dynamic between Lance and Sebastian." He further said, "Sebastian does have a more experience, and the way we go about debrief now has changed a bit, and not just Lance, but the entire team have embraced that." Otmar Szafner also talked about the progress made by Vettel. He was getting more and more comfortable in the car before Monaco, and I think it's a progression of his little steps. It's a logical incrementalism to get to the peak. We have all improved in our process a little bit, in the way we go about the weekend. We are all learning, Lance too, and we will lift the team together. Bottas expects to discuss Mercedes' future in the next month or so. He said, "When we go to triple headers, etc., we won't really have time. I would imagine that naturally in the next month or so, maybe we will start to speak." McLaren set to join Extreme E Racing Series in 2022. McLaren will expand their motor racing interest in 2022, with the British-based operation set to enter a team into the all-electric off-road Extreme E Series. Daniel Ricciardo says he's looking forward to the upcoming triple header of races, beginning in France, and will fast-track his progress at McLaren. Pierre Gasly is increasing great in shape. Red Bull advisor Helmut Marko said he's getting better and better at AlphaTauri. The package fits really perfectly. The combination fits together perfectly. He had a loss of performance in Baku in the race. It was great achievement to keep Leclerc behind him. Later, Helmut Marko also talked about Vettel's performance at Baku. He said, "That was Vettel as we know him, how he jumped on the podium, but above all, his overtaking maneuvers, the fight with Gasly, the first lap. I am very pleased that this change has been achieved in a relatively short time." Simon Roberts to leave Williams. The restructure of Williams, following the arrival of new owners Dalton Capitals, continues with the news that Simon Roberts will leave the Formula One team. As CEO, Jost Capito observes the team principal duties. Mercedes said, "It's our duty to give Hamilton a better car." Their official said, "It's our duty to try and give him a better car where it's more difficult for him to make mistakes. We need to take our share of that, look at how we can improve that, and that's something we will put in the place for the next race." Mercedes needs to bring their A game. Their team principal Toto Wolff said, "We must bring our A game to fight for this championship, and our car was not there all weekend. Operationally, we just need to perform faultlessly, and all of us haven't done that for the last 2 weekends."